Hey everybody, welcome. This is my first YouTube video ever, not only for YouTube but as a beard review as well. Tonight I will be doing the review for Barbu Beard Company. I ended up getting the Blacksmith. A few weeks ago, Beard Times with Scott did his 1,000th subscriber giveaway. I was one of the lucky winners for Barbu. So I checked them out. I got the Blacksmith. I have not opened it yet. I got the package in last week. I've been hanging on to it because part of the deal was for me to make a review. So here it is, my first video, my first review. Let's see how it goes. If not, if you haven't already, go check out Beard Times with Scott. Subscribe to him. Follow him. Good reviews on everything. He's 100% honest. So if he likes it, you're going to like it most likely. So, yeah, let's get this going. So, I opened the package up last week from Barbu. It comes in a little knapsack. Looks a little something like that. Kind of cool. Travel pack, or if you know, marbles, whatever you want to put in there. So, before we get into that, I did get a personalized note from them as well. I don't know if everybody can see that. It says, Jake, hope you enjoy the Blacksmith. Congrats on your win. Let us know what you think. Well, I'm letting you know what I think right now. So we have a 1 ounce bottle. One ounce balm. Cool little pin to add to the collection. I like getting these pins and the stickers that come with the orders from other companies. It's kind of cool. What else we got? The business card as well. And then on the back it's got beard oil and balm applications. You know, kind of shake well, depending on the length of the beard, how much to use, all that good stuff. That's kind of handy for the newbies, I guess. And then it comes with another card. Oh, it's got more information on it, but kind of cool little card. That'll be the front of it there, and then your back of it. And then got a sticker. Like the stickers. That'll go with my other collection. So when I ordered this online, I had a couple guys I know kind of give me their opinions on which ones to try out. Excuse me. So checked them out. I like I saw the name Blacksmith. I like to work out in the shop. I like to do the welding, plasma cutter, all that good stuff, metalwork. I like doing that. So I saw Blacksmith and instantly I just added to the cart, bought it, no questions asked. It wasn't until later that I looked at it that what it's supposed to smell like. But I haven't smelled it yet. So let's just take a look at it. Here's the balm. It smells really good. That's real good. I like that. Kind of a hint of orange. Yeah, definitely get a hint of orange. Kind of a licorice smell. I don't know. Can't quite put my finger on it. There's something about it. But yeah, that's really good. So the balm, nice and smooth. It's not chunky or just nice and smooth. I like that. Oil, There we go. All right, so there's the oil. Shake it up before you use it. That's what I do with all my other ones. Yeah, definitely matches the balm smell, which is good. Kind of a medium oil compared to what I normally use. Yeah, that smells really good. Definitely gonna wear this tomorrow, that's for sure. As long as the wife likes it, I'll probably end up buying some more. But yeah, definitely. So the bottle says shake well, massage in the beard, apply as needed. Organic sweet almond oil, organic jojoba seed oil, organic, yeah, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, organic castor oil. For external use only, so don't use this for mouthwash. So the balm ingredients of beeswax, virgin unrefined shea butter, jojoba, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, coconut oil, castor oil, 100% pure essential oils, organic and non-GMO. Kind of cool, but yeah, I definitely like the way this smells. Really looking forward to wearing it tomorrow. Yeah, just like I said, as long as the wife likes it, I'm definitely buying more. So that's what I got for now. Being as this is my first video, please like, comment, subscribe, you know, whatever. I would like to try to do this as much as I can with other products, other businesses, beard wise. Definitely want to review them. But yeah, definitely comment. Tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you think I need to work on, what I can do to make it better. I definitely recommend the Barbu Blacksmith. Good stuff. Like it. Y'all have a good night. Thanks again.